Here you can see this is the Django project which I implemented with the help of ChatGPT. This is the home page where you can see employee details. Here in the employee details you can see there is a edit and delete button where you can edit employee detail and delete employee, and there is another button in the green color. When you click this you can able to create a new employee, and here you can see all the employee details. At the top you can see there is a icon. You can change the if you want to know how this project was implemented, what you can do, I'll add video. Check out in the video description. There I'll going to add live stream video link, and also I'll going to add GitHub repository link. This is the repository link which I going to add in the video description. You can check out. There you will get the code. This is the project code. Everything is present here. I'll give you this link in the video description. Then there is a logout button. When you going to log out, you will going to redirect to login page. From here you can able to log in. This is the login form. So there is another option below. If you don't have any account, you can create new account. Here I am going to show you how to create a new user. I'm creating username admin. Here I am adding password and confirming password. After creating user from login form, I'm just going to log in with that credential whatever I given. Here you can see this is the username which logged in right now, and there is a edit button to edit the employee details. I'm going to edit to 4 to 5. Right now I'm updating, and here you can see user got updated, and I'm going to create a new employee. And saving. Here you can see this user employee got created, and there is a delete button. I'm going to delete this employee. When I click yes delete, that employee got deleted. Here you can see right now only 5 employees are present. Thank you for watching.